A TV series that I recommend is High Maintenance. It shows different vignettes of people who live in New York, and it's very relatable, and all of the people that they showcase have very human qualities. So it's kind of a feel-good but reality check sort of series.
TV series, I would go with The Last Kingdom or Vikings. I've been really into the Vikings versus Saxons type thing right now.
History Channel's Alone. What an incredible show. Like, there's something about this, like, pretty exceptional production value of these people who are filming themselves the entire time. And the other thing is, you kind of root for all of them. Like, how many of these, like, contestant shows do you want everyone to win? Because they're all, like, amazing.
I mean, like the last thing I remember watching was Game of Thrones back whenever that was, and that's I can't speak to that. That's like done to death. I don't know what the hell have I watched since then. Parks and Rec. That's the only thing I can remember.
A TV series. I would recommend The Last of Us. It's a new series on HBO based on the video game, which is one of the best video games of all time. It's the story of... What is the story? I don't know. You just have to see it. Go find out. It's good. Go watch it.